I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon.
Alright guys, back with another video. We're doing an unboxing on the custom speaker pods. These are the rear door panels, the rear door speaker pod. Let's go ahead and get these opened up. Got them taken real well. You can see right there, just that nice carbon fiber finish right there. It's got the for the speaker, for the either a smaller speaker or a tweeter right there. You got the 6 and the 8.
6 and a half.
Well, yeah, 6 and a half. Y'all know. So y'all can see right there, customspeakerpods.com. Be sure to go over there and check it out. Use code BASSWITHKEV. Save on your purchase. And we got, you can get your hardware the way, any kind of way you want it. You can get the chrome or the black. I don't know, they may have another style, but I'm not for sure. But I know for sure they do have these two. So you can go in there and pick out the kind you want to make it look even better. So that'll really do it. And these come in a lot of different finishes. If you're looking at this video right now, they have a free, what is it, free
upgrade.
Yeah, free upgrade on your finish. Let me see that again. I'm gonna go through a film right here. It's free for the month of what is it?
It's started in the end of August.
Started at the end of August to the end of September, and we in 2023. So if you're seeing this video in 2023, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know they got these custom finishes. You can get these in any one of the few of them that they have. Well, the many, not the few. They had a lot of them. So that's one. The newer styles, the newer finishes. See, we got the custom, that's custom carbon fiber right there. You got your what's this black stainless, what is it?
It's stainless.
Which one? One of these is stainless steel and one of them is the chrome finish.
That's platinum.
Oh, this platinum right here?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a platinum finish. Of course, you can get any kind of style, grill, bumper cover. I think that's called a bumper cover.
Thump cover.
Thump cover.
That's your stainless steel.
That's your stainless steel right there. Okay. Black stainless. And that is what's that one?
The chrome finish.
The chrome finish. Of course, you can put what I'm trying to say. You can get any kind of style. They have other styles than what I just showed. Other styles for different vehicles as well. Which one?
These are just the new.
Yeah, those are just some of the new finishes right there. Let me show y'all how to set up a go with what I got right here. Be sure to check out customspeakerpods.com. Let's see. Put this out there so y'all know where to go. We'll keep on doing this so y'all know. That's where you want to go right there. Okay, on this setup I got, so I'm gonna go with the pod to be over the top like that. All right, let's set this over to the side. I think that's a nice look to me. I don't know about what y'all think, but that look good to me. It's sliding off there. That's how smooth this stuff is. Let me see. Now I got to land flat. There we go. There we go. It look good right there. That's a whole carbon fiber setup right there. So you might want to, look into getting it or any other styles you might see that I did show y'all in here. They have a lot of different ones. If you don't see the vehicle on the website on customspeakerpods.com, you be sure to contact them, and maybe they can get something done for you to make one. I'm not really for sure, but if you can, contact them to see what they can do. So of course y'all know, hit the notification bell, subscribe. Be sure to check out customspeakerpods.com, and y'all definitely want to get over there and check this out. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, customspeakerpods.com, use code BASSWITHKEV, and make sure to take advantage from the end of August to end of September.
September, I think 27th or something like that.
September 27th or something like that. I'm gonna try to leave all of that in the video. I'm gonna try to, you know, you seeing this in 2023, you got to almost to the close enough to the end of September to take advantage of the free finishes. So it's a lot to choose from. So be for sure to get over there and do that. And you can pick up some of these right here to match it however you want to do it. I don't know. I might go with the black on there. I don't know. I think all of it look good, so I might mix it up. Never know. But be sure to like, subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, alright? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.